Okay, let's set up Alexa in the car. This is your Alexa EchoAuto. Very nice. So we'll take it out. You have your cable cord. You have your Alexa car mount and adapter. So grab your adapter, put it in, plug it. Okay, so then you have your Echo device, plug it right here. Okay, so that turns out nice. Look at that. So now we have to set it up.
Hello. Let's get rolling. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Okay, so I will put this on the mount. It'll be up. Go in your vent. Okay, and you'll put this beautiful, put this beautiful Alexa right on it, just like that. So now you grab your mobile device and you set it up. So you go to Amazon or Alexa.
Ready for setup. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app.
So once you're in your app, you will go to device, hit the little plus. You will add a new device. What is it? So we look around first, see if anything's with car. Okay, so Alexa Echo. Now we will click on EchoAuto. Make sure you're not driving, of course. So it's already mount. So you're gonna hit continue. It found it right here, EchoAuto 05T3. Set up, hit continue. It's connecting. It's gonna say pair. Hit OK. OK. Can your car connect to your phone with Bluetooth? Yes. Continue. Continue. Okay, it's testing. Hit continue.
Your device is ready.
Okay, it says device is ready. So it was pretty quick how to set it up. So you can, your navigation, so I'm going to put maps. Okay, save. My address, allow. Calling and messaging, allow. If you want audible, hit no thanks. All done, yes. And there you go. It's connected. So now it's basically connected to your phone, connected to your car. So now you say, hey Alexa. See how the light turns on? What's today's temperature?
Right now, it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 56 degrees.
See that? That's very nice. So you can ask whatever you want to say. You can text message. You can navigate home. You can do whatever, your Amazon Music, whatever you would like to do, you can do it. Make a phone call. Hey Alexa, call weather.
Calling Weathers Mobile.
It connects to my phone.
Good morning. Know-how handles big dreams
Look
for
at that.
small businesses.
That's nice.
People's United Bank NA.
So
What
then,
know-how
if I wanted to
can
hang up, hey Alexa, hang up.
Today is Sunday,
Please use your
November
car's head
16th.
unit to hang up the call.
People's
Okay, you
United
can't
Bank
hang up like
time,
that, so you hang up
11:53.
over here. So that's pretty cool. Hey Alexa, tell me a joke.
How is a private eye? Like the dry cleaners? They both do other people's dirty work.
See that? So it's pretty cool to have Alexa in your car. You can say anything you want to say. You can mute her. You can do whatever like the other Alexa does. I have Alexa in the house and I have it in the car. It's very nice. And this is the app. So, hey Alexa, navigate home.
Getting directions to home.
See? And it opens up. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, if you have any question whatsoever, comment below. Like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, of course. Hey Alexa, what is the price of the nearest gas?
Here's something I found on the web. According to kznews.com, price with the Civic natural gas based on the high-end X model instead of the base model, as in the past. List price will start at $26,255 or $27,655 with built-in navigation.
And the other cool thing about it, before I go, is that you can ask for stores around you or stuff like that and what time they open or close. So it's pretty nice to have the Alexa. So for instance, you can say, hey Alexa, what time Dunkin' Donuts open?
Dunkin' on Bridgeport Avenue in Shelton is open today from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Awesome.